everyone! Welcome back to Kodex Academy. I am Umansh Agarwal. Are you ready to create a realistic firework animation in Scratch? Today, we will make colorful fireworks, glowing effects, and random fireworks patterns that look just like a real celebration show. So, get ready to make your Scratch project sparkle and shine. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Now let's jump into Scratch. So let's start making our amazing firework animation. First, let's delete this cat sprite. Take a backdrop. Let's go to choose a backdrop and take the night city, the black one. Now, let's go to the backdrops and delete this backdrop one because we don't need a blank backdrop. Okay, so let's go to code now. Let's paint a sprite and we will paint a circle of 5 by 5 pixels and in green color without an outline. In green color, bright green, like this. Okay, now let's make a 5 by 5 circle. Press shift and then make it so that it could be a perfect circle. Oh, it's 13 by 13. We need 5 by 5. Okay, it's 5 by 5 now. Now I need to take it in the center. Okay, now it's in the center. It's very tiny dot, like this much. Okay, now let's go to the code. First, let's go to the sprite and name it Star. Now let's start with the coding, starting with the clones. So let's go to events first. When flag clicked, first we will make it hide. Then we will go to controls and take repeat. And repeat 300 times. Then scroll down in the control and create clone of myself. And then go to events, take broadcast, new message, named ready. Outside the repeat 300 times. So, this means that when you will click the green flag, it will make many clones. First it will hide and make many clones. Okay, now we will take another sprite. Let's upload a sprite and take a rocket. Oh, it's too big. We don't want it centralized, but we want its end point to be in the center. Okay, I'm done and now let's go to the coding. The size is 35. Okay, this much. Great. Now let's check. When I receive ready, then we are going to make it hide. Then forever loop. Then control wait until. Sensing mouse down. So this means that it will wait until the mouse is down. Our mouse is down. This mouse pointer. And when we will make the mouse pointer click down on the screen, then go to motion, take, go to X, then go to sensing, take mouse X and Y minus 180. Then looks, hide, then motion, glide 1 second to mouse X and sensing Y, mouse Y. And then let's show and events broadcast new message that is bang. Okay, so this code means that when the rocket will receive ready broadcast, then it will run this code in a forever loop because we have put in a forever loop. Then wait until mouse down. Then it will go to the X value of the mouse. And yes, let's set the direction to 0. Okay, it will go to the exact position where the mouse was. And then it will show. And then it will broadcast bang. Now, let's go to star and start its coding. So let's go to events. Like when I receive bang, then we are going to make a variable. First, let's make a variable called speed. Okay, then set speed to operators pick random 1.5 to 3. And then go to looks, set ghost effect to 0, then change color effect by 25. Now we will take an extension called pen, draw with your sprites. After this, take pen up, then go to looks, then go to motion, go to rocket, and then go to pen down. Then go to motion and take point in direction. Operators pick random 180 to minus 180. Okay, minus 180. And then let's go to looks and show. Then go to sensing and reset timer. Now let's go to control, repeat 25 times. And then go to pen, take change pen color by 2. Now go to motion, move, variable, speed, steps, and then go to motion, change y by operators minus. In the first section take 0, and in the second section go to sensing and take timer. And then we will duplicate this, repeat 25 times. We will use the same blocks, but we will add some more blocks. Now what we will add is take set speed to, take multiply, speed, go to variables, speed multiply by, take 7 times 9. First 0, then point, 0.99999999, 7 times 9. Okay? And then take move, speed, steps, and change y by 0 minus timer up, and then change pen color by 2 down. In between that, take change ghost effect by operators pick random 5 to 10. Okay, and now the last two codes are first code. When I receive bang, the first code in the sense the left code, there are two left code. From that, let's do the first. So let's take when I receive bang, control, repeat 100 times, and then looks, change color effect by 2. Means it will repeat it 100 times and change color effect by 2 every time. Okay, so the next code is when I receive bang, set color effect to operators pick random 100 to minus 100. Okay, so let's test the sparkling animation. Oh, I think something we forgot. Okay, after repeat 25 times, outside that, let's go to pen, take erase all, and before erase all, take hide. Now let's see. It's not hiding. Okay, so I think we need to exchange the position of the hide and show. Okay, now let's test. Okay, now it's perfect, but something is wrong. When the stars are coming, then it's not spreading out. Let's check. Oh, we need to make speed variable only for the sprite. Let's keep the S small, okay? Okay, here is star speed. First, let's change these to speed over here, small s1. This move speed steps. Let's change this also to the small s speed. Okay, done. And now let's delete this big speed. And done. Okay, and let's hide this variable speed. Okay, now look, it's spreading. Very nice. Okay, almost the full sky is filled. It's great. Now, to make it more interesting, let's add a sound to the rocket and events when I receive bang. When it will receive bang. Let's go to sounds and let's upload a sound and let's take the fireworks. Let's hear the sound. Nice sound. Let's feel like the rocket is going up. Phew, phew. Okay, now let's go to the codes. And sound, play sound fireworks until done. Let's go on big screen and play our fireworks animation. And yes, you can use these animations in Diwali and New Year celebrations too, to show your friends and family. Okay, now let's play this animation. Wow! If I will continuously click, the full sky will fill with firecrackers. Oh, the full sky is filled. Now let's do it. Very fun, right? Wow, looking beautiful. Wow, it spread so much. Look, it's still here. Let's start it again. I'm having fun. Seriously, you can use this in Diwali and New Year celebrations. It's very fun. Please tell me if it works. I am waiting for your comment. I hope you like and understand this video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share this video to your family and friends. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.